Good afternoon YouTube, Connor from John Cleese Car Audio. Today we're going to go through a little installation we've done on Des's Kia Sportage. We have here the factory system needed to be replaced. I think it had a fault from what I can remember correctly. This obviously needed to be replaced pronto, so we've got it straight in and we've installed nothing else but the Kenwood DMX8021. Extremely popular radio, probably one of our best sellers here due to the awesome reliability, awesome screen, 3-year warranty, and wireless connectivity for both Android and Apple. So without further ado, let's show you what it looks like. That is the unit in situ. We've obviously used a colour match fascia. It's a good match actually between that and that panel. This is the 8021 as I mentioned earlier. So what we've got is we've got a capacitive touchscreen, so super responsive. We've got DAB radio, FM radio. We've got Apple CarPlay wirelessly. My phone's already connected, so if I push there, we've got the Apple CarPlay screen where I can go through certain apps like navigation apps like iOS Maps, Google Maps, TomTom, Waze, everything. I've got my music apps like Tidal I use, but if you had Spotify that would appear here, or if you use Diesel Apple Music that also appears here. And you can also use internet radio apps like BBC Sounds, MyTuner Radio, just in case you go into there there's no DAB coverage. Now all the steering wheel controls work as well, all the factory buttons, which is nice touch. USB-C on this unit we've just located into the customer's glove box as requested, which is there so he can charge his phone, and the DAB area was mounted there. I don't think this has got a reverse camera, has it? Let me just check. Oh, it's even got a factory reverse camera which we've retained as well, which is nice. We can do that on many platforms. If you've got a factory reverse camera, we can retain it. If you want an aftermarket reverse camera, we can also add one of those as well. That is it for a quick run through on this Kenwood installation with 3-year warranty fitted by a Kenwood Premier Centre such as ourselves. But if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comment if you've got any questions, or send us an email via our contact details on our website. But for now, that's Connor from John Cleese signing off. See you later.